Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre SE Evo 65 PS. The car is great and it has a good spec, including a hydraulic brake assist, front and rear parking sensors, an anti-lock braking system, hill hold control, an automatic post-collision brake, a forward collision warning system, a driver alert system, and these 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. The boot as well is a decent size, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touch screen, a multimedia interface and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.